What is an static method? Static method is a method that belongs to a class but it does not belong to an instance of that class, and this method can be called without the instance or object of that class. What is a non-static method? Every method in Java defaults to a non-static method without static keyword preceding it. Non-static methods can access any static method and static variable without creating an instance of the object. Below are the various important differences among these. First, accessing members and methods. In static method, the method can only access static data members and static methods of another class or same class, but cannot access non-static methods and variables. Also, a static method can rewrite the values of any static data member. In non-static method, the method can access static data members and static methods as well as non-static members and method of another class or same class. Also can change the values of any static data member. Second, calling process. In static method, the memory of a static method is fixed in the RAM. For this reason, we don't need the object of a class in which the static method is defined to call the static method. To call the method, we need to write the name of the method followed by class name. In non-static method, the memory of non-static method is not fixed in the RAM, so we need class object to call a non-static method. To call the method, we need to write the name of the method followed by the class object name. First, binding process. In static method, the method use compile time or early binding. For this reason, we can access static method without creation instance. In non-static method, the method use runtime or dynamic binding, so that we cannot access a non-static method without creation instance. Second, overriding. In static method, we cannot override a static method because of early binding. In non-static method, we can override a non-static method because for override we need runtime polymorphism, which is happening only in runtime binding. First, memory allocation. In static method, memory allocation happens only once because the static keyword fixed a particular memory for that method in a RAM. So when the method is called every time in a program, each time that particular memory is used. For that reason, the less memory is allocated. In non-static method, here memory allocation happens when the method is invoked and the memory is allocated every time when the method is called, so much memory is used here.